how are you? I'm your art teacher and I'm back with new art activity for you. Oh, is this looking beautiful? So today we are going to make this art with the help of thumb printing and finger printing. We will make insects, animals, we can make anything. So are you ready? Okay. So for this art we require one drawing sheet, colors. I am going to use Rangila colors and marker or black pen. Now we will do thumb printing like this. Like this. Dip your thumb into color and print here like this. So you can use different colors for thumb printing or finger printing. Like you can use like this. Let it be dry for some time, then take marker and start making features. I hope you like this art. In next art, I will bring more creative learning for you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.